movie is started.
It is?
Yeah, we're recording it right now. Why are you using my phone? It records sound, Natalie.
Oh. Hi, Natalie.
Hi, Kirsten. Your phone actually makes a ringing noise.
Hello? Listen.
Yeah, it does. That's kind of annoying.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, I have an antenna! Oh, fuck. Here, use mine.
Okay. You got it?
Oh, put your antenna on it! Put your antenna on it! Put it on!
Hello?
Hi?
Hi.
Mine?
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 Fuck you, bitch!
You're such a poor little cell phone. Natalie! Cell phone, Natalie! Cell phone, Her knee just elbowed me. Oh, shit. Okay, ready? It's all like. You don't gotta press any buttons. Somebody vibrated. I think it was me.
Oh.
It was me. Get your feet. Cody Z. I'm on A right now. We'll be coming up to 44 soon. Haha, you said coming. That means you're gonna leave me soon. Keep typing. Oops. We gotta do like this one of these things. The thing was upside down the entire time. Wait, 360. Oh shit, my arm! Oh, my neck! It's actually on there. Look. Get it off. Lick it. No, it's my nose. You want to see what it looks like when you do that whole bit? You gotta watch this shit now. Oh, that's it. We still recording? Hold on, I'm gonna read it now. Read. Cody Z. Oh yeah, LOL. Reply options. Hey, I can't see. Reply. OMG, I just got hit with the camera. That's a fart. What the hell are you doing? Here's the button. That's my crotch. Ah! It burns! Oh shit! Cancel. OMG. You know, I turned the camera, but you're still normal to me. Oh shit. Read. Oh my god. You know, you can't just hold the camera. What did we do to my lens? Now it's all blurry. Alright, let's watch this shit. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.